Hello there, what's up? If you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, I'm Nimz, and I hope you'll stick around by simply hitting the subscribe button that's just down below. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 7 ways to style a basic apron jumpsuit in whatever color you're working with. These styles will totally work, so stick around to see all 7 looks, and thank you so much for joining me. So for look 1, I decided to style the apron jumpsuit with a strapless top or a bandeau. So I feel like strapless tops or a bandeau, otherwise known as a bandeau, can really work well with an apron jumpsuit, especially for really hot days, because it's going to be a really breathable look. You're not sweating too much. So this is definitely a go-to look for those really hot days when you just want to look nice and not like putting too much effort. So style your apron jumpsuits with strapless tops. Next up, I decided to style the apron jumpsuit with an off-shoulder top, because let's face it, off-shoulder tops are still very much on trend, and I'm personally still holding on to this trend. So just play around with all your shoulder tops and see which one you like when styled with an apron jumpsuit, and just have fun with it, you guys. Have fun with the style. Next up, we have one of my favorite ways to style an apron jumpsuit, because where I live it's really cold, so this makes it really practical for me to wear my apron jumpsuits without freezing to death. So all you need for this look is a heavy knitted sweater. It can be oversized or fitted, it's all up to you. So just style it with your favorite oversized sweater and you'll be good to go for those really cold days when you want to look good without putting in too much effort and without freezing to death. So yeah. Mustard is such a happy color, so vibrant, so out there. So it had to make it to the top 7 ways of styling a jumpsuit for me. So just go ahead and style your favorite your jumpsuit with your favorite mustard top, and it's going to look really, really good, especially if the jumpsuit is black and yellow, guys. Black and yellow. And back to basics. I think the most common way of styling a dungaree or an apron, anything, is using a white t-shirt, be it long sleeved or short sleeved. In this particular case, I decided to style the jumpsuit with a long sleeved white t-shirt, but you can use a short sleeved one if that's your preference. The one tip I would give you guys is, if you want to give the look more character, a bit more character, then just go ahead and use layered accessories. For instance, I use this Masai choker, and the three-layered necklace to form this really nice look that just gives it a little bit more extra oomph. That just gives a bit more extra oomph to the look, and I think it looks really, really nice. So go ahead and try that and tell me how it goes. Monochromatic because I think this is one of the easiest styles to pull off, especially if you're in a rush in the morning. All you need to do is just grab accessories in the same color as your outfit and you're good to go. So in this particular case, I grabbed my black fringe earrings, my black choker, my black leather jacket, and my black small backpack, and I was good to go, and I called it a day. That was my monochromatic look. So yeah. Given that most of the top will be tucked under your apron jumpsuit, the one detail you're left with is the sleeves. So if you're going for an all-out kind of look, then you need to go for detailed sleeves in styles such as bell sleeves or balloon sleeves, because that's the only detail that's actually showing. So just go all out when it comes to the design of the sleeve. That's it for today's video. Feel free to let me know down below in the comment section which of the 7 was your favorite. I will catch you all on my next one. Thank you for watching.